Hello friends, welcome to my channel. With artificial intelligence, you can now turn your videos, photos into 3 images or cartoon characters. Let's look at how it happened right away. First of all, we enter the DomoEye site, domoi.app. Start in Discord right here. You must have a Discord account. Now there are channels below, as you can see. We say complete right here. We say /video here. There will already be a prompt pane right above it. We choose the photo or video we want. Let me choose here. Let's say prompt. For example, my video is a video of me walking. My own video. We say walking. We click enter and wait. We accept from here. Such an option will appear in front of you. Here we choose what kind of change you want to see. For example, he says it should be a cartoon character. Here you choose how many seconds. I choose 10 seconds because it's 9 seconds. You wait a little bit. You say start. You wait for a minimum of 5 to 10 minutes. Yes, friends, it's finally finished. Let's see how it turned out. Original video.
Neye hava atacağım zaten geçişim hava.
And the video created.
Neye hava atacağım zaten geçişim hava.
Let's try another one. We say reverse/video. We click on the part here. Let's choose another video. Let's choose this video. We write what kind of video it is. We said a man and a woman talking, and it asks us what we want it to do. Here we can choose various Japanese style, Chinese. Let's choose 3 different movie characters. And let's set the duration to 10 seconds. Let's say start. And that's it, guys. We're done. Let's look at the original video first.
Ölmemişsin.
Öldürememişsin.
Bir dahaki sefere.
Ne zaman istersen.
And this is the made video.
Ölmemişsin.
Öldürememişsin.
Bir dahaki sefere.
Ne zaman istersen.
Yes, I think it's very nice this way. Let's look at other examples. Here are some examples. There is. Let's take a look at this. There is. It's nice. Yes, friends, you can easily do it this way. At first, it gives you 100 credits. After 100 credits, it's paid. Don't forget that. Take care of yourselves. Stay tuned.